homeowners. Let me help you select the best materials for your roof. As a homeowner, selecting the right roofing materials for your home is extremely important. Not just for the aesthetics, but also for the longevity of your roof. Because there are so many different options out there, it can be a little overwhelming to select the right materials for your home. But don't worry, that's what I'm here for. So today I'm going to help you select the best roofing materials for your home. We will look at factors such as cost, durability, and of course, aesthetics to help you make the best decision for all your roofing needs. Okay, so let's begin. Let's talk about asphalt shingles. Asphalt shingles are the most common roofing material used in North America. They are made with a fiberglass material coated with asphalt. Shingles are easy to install, lightweight, and of course, affordable. Plus, they come in a wide variety of styles and colors. So if you are looking for an affordable options, then shingles are definitely for you. Just keep in mind that there are two different types of shingles. So we have 3-tab shingle and architectural shingles. So 3-tab shingles are a much cheaper option. They don't last as long, but they are still a great choice. Now, the only reason why you wouldn't want to choose shingles is if you live in an area with extreme weather. So if you do live in extreme weather and you do choose shingles, what will end up happening is that the shingles will simply not live their full lifespan. Overall, asphalt shingles are an excellent choice for homeowners who are on a budget. Metal roofing. If you want to know more about metal roofing, I have made a whole video just on metal roofing. So you can go onto our YouTube channel and check that video out. Metal roofing is one of the best options out there for homeowners. It is extremely durable and long lasting. When it comes to metal, you actually have options. So you can have aluminum, zinc, copper, or steel. What's so great about metal is that it's lightweight, so it won't put as much pressure on the structure of your roof. And of course, it's fire resistant. In fact, some insurances actually offer a discount with homes that have metal roofs. What are the downsides when it comes to metal roofs? Well, one of the downfalls is that it can actually be quite noisy when it rains or when there is hail. And the main disadvantage when it comes to metal roofs is, of course, the cost. Metal roofing is a high-end price ticket. Despite this, metal roofs are an excellent investment, especially if the homeowners are not on a budget and want their roof to last for a very long time. Also, what's so great about this material is that it actually requires little maintenance. Metal roofs are an excellent option if you live in extreme climate. Clay and concrete tiles. Clay and concrete are a very popular material because of their durability and long lifespan. In fact, clay tiles are actually known to even live up to 100 years. Another thing that's so great about this, once again, is their durability, and they are also fire resistant. One of the downfalls of this material is that it's actually quite heavy. So it can actually put a bit of pressure on the home, on the structure of the roof. One of the things that homeowners can do is reinforce the structure of your roof, but that comes at an extra cost. The other downfall to this material is that it is a mid to higher price tag. What's so great about this material is that they're fantastic for coastal homes, so the salty air and the high winds won't actually affect your roof as much as opposed to if you had something like shingles. What about slate roofing? Are you feeling fancy and want to add a touch of elegance to your roof? Then slate roofing might just be for you. This material is made out of natural stone and it's incredibly durable. And as I mentioned before, beautiful. With proper maintenance, this material can actually live up to 100 years. But once again, the downfall to this material is that it's heavy, so it has the same issues as clay and concrete tiles. The other downfall, of course, is that it's a little bit more expensive. It's a mid to high-end cost material. Cedar shakes. Once again, I have done a whole video on cedar shake roofing, so hop onto our YouTube channel and check out that video if you want to know more. Cedar shakes give this unique fairy tale kind of look to your home. This material is made from split logs and offer a unique rustic charm that obviously no other material can deliver. The only thing is this material can come with some downfalls. First of all, it does kind of require frequent maintenance. Due due to the fact that this material is prone to rotting, insect infestation, and weather damage. Additionally, because it's wood, it is highly flammable. And of course, therefore, it's a high fire risk. But if this is something that you really want, it's a great material. And with proper maintenance, this roof can live a long lifespan. Really, it comes down to your budget and, of course, your personal taste. Homeowners need to consider various factors, such as budget, climate, and of course, the overall aesthetics. Of course, it's important to weigh the benefits and the disadvantages of each material, such as durability, maintenance requirements, and of course, energy efficiency. Now, there is a reason why asphalt shingles are one of the most popular, because they are affordable, durable, and of course, a great material. Now, if you have a higher budget, then metal roofing is definitely something you want to look into. It's extremely long lasting and it's environmentally friendly. That's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to hop onto our YouTube channel, as we have a ton of videos on everything roofing, solar, and windows. As always, don't forget to support us by liking this video and of course subscribing to our channel. Have a good week.